How to download Roblox Studio on iPhone. In this video, I will guide you on how to download Roblox Studio and get it on your home screen. For this, you want to open up any web browser. In my case, I'm going to open Safari. Now, on the web browser, search for create.roblox.com or the Roblox Creator Hub. Once you're here, you want to click on this share button. Scroll down a bit and you will find the option of Add to Home Screen. Tap on that. Now you want to name it. I'm going to name it Roblox Studio. Now tap on the Add option. As soon as you add it, as you can see, Roblox Studio has been successfully added on your home screen. Now you can simply tap on this and access the Roblox Studio. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.